So we're back to fixing Land Rovers again. So I came out in the morning and noticed a puddle of coolant on the floor, and it's the diesel heater. So just the seals have gone on the end of it. So yeah, another job to do. Typical Land Rover. Now, I've never actually done one of these before, but there it is down there. Well, that's where it's leaking from anyway. So yeah, we'll figure out how to get it off and get some new seals put in it. First thing I'm going to do, just because I've got big fat hands, is I'm just going to drop this up and out the way and probably take that pipe off there, the two vacuum pipes, just to get my access a little bit better. These just pop straight out, so just give them a quick tug straight up and then just slide out the back pipe underneath. I'll stick that there. Whether or not that makes it better for me or not, I don't really know. And then I'll move these two, which gets that little pipe out of the way as well. Right, got two diesel lines in. Whether or not these are easier to get off before or after, I'm not 100% sure. Back one I'd say definitely get off when we unbolt it. What I might do, I'm going to take this front pipe off here. That's obviously a water pipe. There's 1, 2 and 3 by the looks of it. So I'll take them off first, just while it's together. So because these clips, as everybody knows, are just the bane of your life. So we'll get that off first. Move that vacuum line out of the way. Just pipes and lines out the way. Go down over that. Can't find it. Right, so all I've done is obviously stuck it in the vise, and now I'm going to go for cutting these two tabs off. There's one. They're just like right, and I'm all assuming that these then just slide out. She used to do to move them slowly. Nice gentle wiggle. Push it back in for a bit. There she goes. So that was pretty easy for that one. This is the end that's been leaking out of that I noticed. Obviously, yeah, it doesn't look like it's leaking now, obviously, but so yeah. And then I'll get my little pick. So we want to get the pick and take that seal out there. Now, I have seen a lot of these kits that you can buy, especially on eBay, that just have a simple O-ring, normal rubber O-ring. These are quite old, these ones. Run it round, there she goes. They're actually quite a fat, wide. You can see, I mean, you can't really see on the camera, but they're perished pretty bad then. I'm guessing they've never ever been changed in their lives. That's why I would. So the kit, anyway, the kit I bought, it was 30 quid with the postage, but obviously, as you can tell, they are a lot bigger than standard O-rings. So, and you could just buy the O-rings themselves or the full thing, but 30 quid, I thought it's done. And obviously 2 Jubilees right size for the ends to clamp it back up again. So we'll give these a good clean off. Not exactly bad anywhere, but while we're here, the new O-ring there. Nothing. Feels okay, there's no sharp edges. So that doesn't matter where it sort of goes, as long as the tabs go back in themselves. Excellent. Feels good. Right. This in there just fit in there lovely, as they do. And keep the out of the way of where stuff's going to be. It should be alright there, I reckon. Oh, with a nice screwdriver. Don't think the end one particularly matters, does it? I don't think so. Catch on a manifold maybe. I'll stick it about there somewhere. Obviously these are quite easy to change around if they are ever slightly in the wrong place. Nice and tight. Stick that one there for now. Beautiful. Right, and that, as they say, should be that. So we will put that back in the car. And hopefully there's not as much chew with them clips. So back one first. Which is on nice there. And what I'll do is I'll see if I can move that clip down now while it's still loose. But as we know, these clips are an absolute fucking ass. Right, so everything's back together. It's all bolted in down there. Washer coolant tanks, header tanks back in. I've put some coolant in it, as you can see. So yeah, we'll fire it up and check there's no leaks. We might have to prime it. We might have to prime it because obviously we've had the diesel off, so it might fire up, it might have a bit of air in the system. We'll have a look. Yeah, you can hear a lot of air in it. yeah, it's definitely got a bit of air in, bless her. Yeah, she's back up and running. It took a bit of starting actually, bless her. So yeah, basically all you have to do now is just go around, double check for any leaks, stick your heater on, get your heater going flat out, and keep an eye on your level, see where your water level's at. And yeah, happy watering, guys.